So welcome to the Kitty Combat Lite tutorial, and here we'll show you how you can deploy this exact game, which is like a fully on-chain game powered by Flow blockchain. You can see it in live action here, where if I tap, I'm basically earning some coins and that gets saved on-chain. With these coins, I can then upgrade to some of these upgrades in the shop, and that basically allows me to earn even more coins, and that's how you can progress in the game. So it's very similar to other farming games on Telegram. Yeah, let's get started. These are the steps you need to take in order to set up your game. We need to start the one-click deployment, and then we need to deploy it on Vercel and set up a Magic Link account, and then set up the Telegram web app. We will go to dap-deployer.vercel.app, and there you'll need to sign in with your GitHub account, and we can name our project. I'll name mine Kitty Combat Lite and create my dApp. And that has basically created a repository on my GitHub. And I can go to that and I have all the code I need to get started. So now we need to deploy this on Vercel. So we open up our Vercel and add a new project. And there we see the repo that just got made. So this is like an important step where under build at install command, we need to write npm install legacy peer deps, and this ensures that we can actually deploy our build. So as soon as this is built, we'll receive a live domain URL that's going to be needed in order to set up the Telegram web app. And while we wait for this to build, we might as well just go to Magic Link, and there we can log in and create a new dApp. So we'll call this Kitty Combat Lite. And it's pretty important that we set this to the Flow network, Flow mainnet, and make sure that we have email and SMS enabled. You can also double check under authentication, and we can see, yeah, both of these are enabled. And now our deployment has been deployed on Vercel, and we have a domain URL. And this is what we need to basically save under settings, where you go to allowed origins and redirects. And we need to let it know that this domain name is like allowed, and save this. And then another step is that we need to save the publishable API key. And we need to go to our Vercel deployment and go to settings, and go to environment variables, set the value, and we need to write next _public_magic_API key to save the environment variable. And then we have to redeploy. So this makes sure that we actually have the environment variables from Magic Link to our web app. So as this is building, we already have the URL that we need. So we can now set up the final step, which is the Telegram web app. And there you need to go to Telegram. You'll have to find botfather and click on start. There we'll want to create a new bot. We'll call this bot Kitty Combat Lite and give it a bot name, Kitty Combat Lite 123 bot. This then create a token for us. We need to create a new app now, and we'll choose the bot that we just created, Kitty Combat Lite 123 bot. And there we'll give it a title and a description, and we'll give this a photo, and then press empty, and there we'll add the URL, and then call it app. And now we have our web app link for our bot. Another thing we'll want to do is that we'll go to my bots to edit the bot, and there we'll go to bot settings, change the menu button, configure menu button, and give the URL and give it a title for the button. We can give the text play, go back to bot settings, and also configure mini app, enable that, give the URL. So now if we go to our bot, it should be around here. We can press start on it and press on play. And now we have our own Telegram game. We can test it and see if it worked. Try and log in, enter your code, And now, as this is my first time logging into the app, it's going to create a Flow wallet address for us. And there we go. We now have a Flow wallet address for our account. We can see it's funded with some initial flow. That basically means that we can play this Onchain game and it's just going to run transactions for us and basically sponsor all our transactions. And this goes for all your users that use this game. Yeah, your Telegram web app is now live and it's ready to use. It has user authentication via Telegram and Magic Link, and you have real-time updates for your progress. And you can now choose to extend your game by deploying your own smart contract, create custom game mechanics, change the name, change images. You could choose to tokenize the game by providing tokens or NFTs. You can also provide in-app purchases that allows people to progress their farming game faster. You can also set up account linking to ensure that users can control their custodial wallets from a non-custodial wallet. You can also implement a referral system that helps you grow your game much faster with more users. Thanks for watching.